bigger theme and connect the bridge between how our experience can help the people in India and provide the services. And thanks for the opportunity. We'll make a big organization. Thank you.
Those were very encouraging words, Prabhakarji. And we need people like you and people like you all to be here and make this organization a big success. Next we have Narasimhaji, who would like to talk about integrity and communications in IT.
Good evening, thank you. And it was very exciting presentation from Ramesh. I was always, since last 2-3 years, we are hearing this cloud computing. I was just thinking, what is this, what is this? So I was actually trying to attend it for many days. It's a good opportunity and it was excellent presentation, thank you. What I'm going to just talk about is nothing new or any exciting or technical, as Ramesh said. It's just all what we already know, just reiteration some of what we do and what most of us know, but just forget. You know, a lot of things in our own passion for life and our daily job stress, we forget some basic things. So all this is about just remembering what we already know, and just reiterating. The topic is communication, importance of communication and integration with the professional community in our own professional growth. Communication, as we know, it's a key aspect of anything, either political or professional, and any aspect of your development, even for doctors, anybody. So, even so more who want to grow in any field into higher positions. So, communication, as we know, it's different type of communications. We do oral communications, written communications, and then face-to-face communications. Oral, again, speaking with preparation, right content is the key. And also being time conscious. Everybody's time is precious. So sticking to time, prepare our own presentation in time, and slicing it in proper proportion to the topic. That's one of the key for the preparation and written communication. Nowadays, we live with emails. Nobody, previously it used to be more face-to-face and oral now, but mostly because of the virtualization, this WebEx, a lot of times it's written, and so we have so many things to remember. Emails. No matter, people will read hundreds of emails a day. Boxes are piling in. We spend whole day, more than a day, just returning the emails. But it's so important when you communicate with the people. Small things. Doing the spell check. Just reading. We are in so hurry, we need to get out things very fast. Hey, let me be first guy to give this idea. But just read the things. Read things, do a spell check. Not only spell check, you do a spell check. Send and sand is both are same. All these small things, makes a lot of difference. And other things we usually write in our professional career is resumes, proposals. These are the things are very important when people who read it really. The write resumes just in a quick manner and send it out. But it's so important. A lot of people I have seen who send the resumes and the hiring managers just read 1 or 2 paragraphs and put it away. He doesn't even know how to write, how can he manage a project. So those little things are very important in the written communications. And resumes, for example, make it short. Don't write like 10, 15 pages resume. I've seen 24 pages of resume. He has 10 years of experience. So little things like that really matters. make it short, make it concise, but to the point, check the English, things like that. And face to face. I mean, communication, only written and speech is only part of communication. Body language is, major part of it. How do you present yourself? What is the confidence you exude in yourself? How do you talk to them? How do you listen to them? Listening is also part of the communication. People always just say, they're concentrating what they say. They don't really listen what other people say. If you listen to them and talk to them, they know, oh, okay, he listened to me what he said. That's effective communication. So all these, all of us know, just reiterate. And the quality of security of the communication. To the point, right content is very important. And second thing is the audience. When we are in technical meetings, when we are in meetings, a lot of people are technical. Some are techies, some are managers, some are executives. You don't want to go and tell the Oracle query, SQL query how it works in a meeting where there are other people. So what this guy is talking about? So we got to adjust our delivery, our content to the audience, and always see the big picture. We always so engulfed in our own technical depth. We don't see the big picture. Always go level high and summarize and talk in the terms of the client. Be in their shoes. So that's what they love more. You just talk in your point of view. That communication is not effective for them. And when you talk, be in their shoes and talk, they will understand, okay, this guy knows what you want. He is the real consultant. That's the way, those are some of the things. And also, again, you talk to managers. You see about deadlines. Managers are concerned about deadlines and quality. When you talk about executive, just be reassuring. Just say, show you can do the things. And show you are energetic and do the, give your confidence and talk to senior execs. And also internal communications, external communication. You talk with your company, and when you write or correspond with the other external folks. So there is subtle differences. Next comes privacy and security. Nowadays is so important when we exchange emails, the contents. There is a new thing called PII, personal identifiable information. It's so much important nowadays in government. And anyway, be careful, writing out, telling social security number, date of birth in the emails and passwords, and also privacy and privacy and proprietary information. You see all these disclaimer statements, but still that's nobody really thinks about that when you write it. So all those things are important. And next thing I want to talk about is the integration. Integration in the sense in our professional environment. When a lot of us went to school here, when we come here, there used to be foreign student advisor. They used to come in 1 or 2 hours orientation. How do you talk to the people? How do you see eye to eye? Don't be close. Small cultural nuances. Those are small things, but they are important. Language. Okay, we are proud of Indian languages or English language. There are subtle differences. Learn them, and even like spelling. For example, color is spelled here different. Back in India, it's different. All these things, small things we need to adjust. And hygiene. Those are, as you know, it's very important because of the closed door meetings. How do we talk and close spaces and personal attire, right dress appropriate. These are the things, those who have kids, they will really point out and tease us so much every day.